Hi, good morning. Today our topic is rocks and minerals. First of all, we are talking about rocks. The surface of the earth is made up of rocks and soil. Rocks are found in various shapes, sizes, and forms. They are made up of substances called minerals. These are found on the ground, on the hills, and deep underground. There are three types of rocks that are found on the earth. They are classified on the basis of their process of formation. These are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. 95% of Earth's crust is made up of igneous rocks. Now we are talking about what is igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed when magma or lava solidifies or cools. Rocks deep inside the earth melt due to increase in temperature or pressure. The intense pressure inside the earth pushes the magma towards the surface. This magma cools just below the surface and hardens to form igneous rocks. The first rocks to be formed on the earth were igneous rocks. Volcanic eruptions also lead to the formation of igneous rocks. When volcanoes erupt, magma flows out. When this magma reaches the surface of the earth, it is called lava. This lava cools and hardens to form igneous rocks. Some of the igneous rocks are given below, such as granite, pumice, basalt. First of all, we are talking about granite. The word granite comes from the Latin word granum, a grain. When magma cools beneath the surface of the earth, it forms granite. This rock consists largely of three minerals, such like mica, quartz, and feldspar. So granite can be white, pink, or gray in color. It is a very hard rock. It is generally used for making statues and flooring of the house. Now we are talking about pumice. When lava cools quickly on the surface of the earth, it forms pumice. It exists as powder or dust called pumicite, which is a volcanic rock. It is light colored. Pumice is formed when lava under high temperature and pressure is thrown out of the volcanoes during an eruption. The lava with gas bubbles solidifies rapidly. This leads to the formation of pores inside the rocks. This rock is very light and it can float on water. Pumice is quite often used as a decorative rock. It is also used as a body scrubber and to polish floors. Powdered pumice is used by the dentists to polish the teeth. Now we are talking about basalt. Basalt is a dark colored rock made up of fine grains. It is the most abundant rock on the earth. Most of the ocean's basins contain basalt. It is a very hard rock. Basalt is formed when lava at a temperature of more than 1000 degrees Celsius flows out from the cracks on the surface of the earth. It cools down quickly within a few weeks, forming a solid rock. Basalt is dark in color because the minerals present in it have a high content of iron and magnesium. It is made up of minerals feldspar and pyroxene. Basalt is used in construction of buildings. Crushed basalt is used to construct roads and pavements. Basalt is also found on the moon. The area where basalt is found on the moon are called lunar media. Now we are talking about sedimentary rocks. A large proportion of rocks found on the surface of the earth are sedimentary rocks. These rocks are formed due to sedimentation of sand particles, mud, clay, or other rocks. These rocks are therefore called sedimentary rocks. Sedimentation means the settling of particles at a place. When igneous rocks undergo weathering by wind, water, ice, or glaciers, they break down into smaller fragments. These fragments are carried away by flowing water and wind into rivers and seas. There, these particles sink down to the bottom and form layers. Many such layers are formed one on top of the other. The top layers squeeze the bottom layers and create hard sedimentary rocks. There are many types of sedimentary rocks such like sandstone, shale, limestone, conglomerate. So first of all we are talking about sandstone. Sandstone is formed when small particles of sand get compressed and cemented together. The most common mineral found in sandstone is quartz. It may be brown, pink, red, or yellow in color. This rock is used to construct buildings. The famous Red Fort in Delhi is made up of red sandstone. Now, second type of sedimentary rocks is shale. Shale is formed from the layer of clay that have hardened. It is a smooth rock. It is used to make bricks and tiles. Third type is limestone. Limestone is mainly composed of skeleton fragments of sea organisms such as corals and molluscs. It contains, such like chalk is a very common type of limestone rock. Cement, bricks, and glass are made from limestone. Conglomerate rocks are pieces of small rocks cemented together with sand and minerals. They have a very uneven texture and can be gray or orange in color. They are used to polish ornaments and are also used as ornamental rocks. Now